going on right now?
There's a rumor that murder was happening upstairs. You better check his condo, make sure he's not, God said he's got bodies upstairs.
Are you home alone?
What started as a late-night dispute over a cigarette quickly turned into a violent assault that left one man hospitalized. At approximately 2:18 a.m. on March 7th, officers responded to the 2800 block of Dundee Road after reports of an attack outside an apartment complex. According to police, a resident became enraged after noticing a neighbor smoking outside. What began as a verbal confrontation allegedly escalated when the suspect struck the victim in the head with a pipe. Here is the police body cam footage.
Hey, Cameron.
Hey.
Hey, I gotta talk to you, man. What's going on tonight?
He broke the door.
What door?
The back door.
To your house or like to this, to the building?
Tim, I don't trust you if you're on the Korean side.
You don't trust me if you're on the Korean side? Okay, well I've got a Hispanic officer, I've got a white officer. You take your pick, man. Who you over want?
I went outside to smoke a cigarette. He wanted to start a fight right away.
Okay, hang on. I'm not gonna do this through the door. You gotta open the door and talk to me, man.
No, I don't trust you, kid. Listen,
Okay, well, like I said, I've got different officers here.
I took the iron rod with me.
What's up?
Myself, and he came outside throwing fists at me. So I can't smoke inside, man. So I had to defend myself. I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, well, you got the iron rod with you?
He hit me with a conch shell. He broke my smartphone. They hit me with a capital punishment stick.
All right, bro, it's really hard to hear you, man. Can you at least open the door?
Yeah, sure. Hey.
What up, man? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you hurt somewhere?
No, I was hurt when he hit me with a conch shell.
When
and
was
when
that?
he broke my phone.
Okay.
I
Are you home alone?
I reported him yesterday to the other two officers.
Are you home alone? Is
Yeah,
mom and dad here?
You better check his condo, make sure he's not, God said he's got bodies upstairs.
Are you home alone?
No,
Where's mom?
my mom's at the hospital. That guy's been canceling out deep throating out of Pamela's perspective. My mom's got sinus inflammation.
Okay.
So,
all right, so what happened today, bro?
I don't
What's
know, there was
going on right
rumor
now?
that murder was happening upstairs. I don't know, I was trying to sleep, okay?
So there's a rumor of rape and murder.
Yeah, for my communications thing, they're telling me a whole bunch of things. I don't know what's true and what isn't. But he wanted to get into a fight right away. I waited for him to go upstairs to his condo. Then I needed to smoke a cigarette because he got me all anxious. And then I took my rod with me to defend myself.
Do you have? You still have the rod? You still got it?
Yeah.
You're not holding it, are you?
It's by my keyboard.
Okay, so
he came outside as soon as I started smoking a cigarette, throwing fists and stuff. And I said, "Back away from me, man! Back away from me!" He refused. I said, "Back away from me! Back away from me!" He refused, and he came at me, and I hit him with the stick. Okay.
Okay, so are you hurt?
They've assaulted me four times in the last 6 months.
Okay.
And I didn't call the police till last night, and I reported them last night.
Okay.
I'm not hurt right now, no.
Hey, when you hit him, you said you guys were outside when that happened?
Yeah, he hit me with a conch shell 3 months ago, or over the summer. I had bruise on my side. I didn't fight back.
Did he hit you today at all?
No, he almost did.
What do you mean?
He threw punches,
So
and
he
I defended myself.
Okay. And you said you hit him with what?
I hit him with a rod,
Which hand were you holding the rod in?
right hand.
Your right hand? Okay.
But it's the 5th time he's got in my face and physically assaulted me. 5th time.
Okay.
They broke my smartphone.
Okay. So your phone is broken right now? Your smartphone?
I had to get a new phone, but my phone's still on. It's powering.
Yeah.
Somebody's still calling it.
You mean us? Or?
But I had to put my number by the door. I don't know who's calling. I can't see the caller. They broke the phone so much that I can't see the screen. Huh?
So Cameron, obviously he's hurt, and I understand this is all a self-defense thing, but I got to document everything.
Yeah.
Can I come in and take a look at the metal rod that you hit him with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Find out. You're taking it away from me, are you?
I might have to. Just don't. Hey, just leave it there. Just leave it there. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Can you just put it back on the table for me?
Yeah. I took this to defend myself while I smoked a cigarette outside.
Okay. I'm gonna take a look at it. I feel better if you're over here.
Okay. under the table. I grabbed it so he didn't grab it.
Was it outside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I think they're North Korean agents. And I went to a Conquer, Iran, and with my computer, and North Korea, and I think they're spying on me or whatever. And I don't know what to tell you. They got physical violence. What is that?
And you said he was trying to punch
He
you.
was going like this at me, like this.
Okay. But he didn't make contact with you, right?
Almost, kind of.
He almost did.
He already hit me. He's already hit me 5 times already.
But that's in previous case.
Yeah, I reported him yesterday.
Right.
They told me that he was a girl upstairs.
Who told you that?
I don't know.
What you
God, and the communication software that I had.
Oh, okay.
Some girls were at the Buffalo Wild Wings, and I was mildly interested. I didn't cross the street, but they wanted to say that they're going to murder every girl that I looked at, and trying to make me feel disempowered or something.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's true. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, I got a communications portal, and I hear communications through my computers and my basement computers, and that's a power and ability.
Okay.
Is there a girl missing?
Not that we're aware of. I wouldn't
Okay.
report it to us. When did you see the girls at the Buffalo Wild Wings?
At 8:30 or something.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no one's called.
So I need to figure out what more is going on here.
Huh? Where? Naked.
Okay, well, I'm not going to wake him up. But right now, just because of what's going on, I need you to come with me to the station, okay?
Okay. Well, what's going to happen after that?
I don't know. We're going to figure it out.
Don't I have a right to defend myself?
Well, that's what we're going to figure out. But just do me a
Okay.
favor.
Can I lock the condo?
Yeah, we'll take care of that. But
Well, I can't.
because you're coming with me.
Well, how do I know? How do I know that
right
you're
now,
gonna?
you're going to be under arrest, okay?
Okay.
Just relax. Give me a
We're gonna-
sec.
we're
Give me a
gonna do
sec. He's going to come. I'm going to go knock on the door, all right? You guys got him? All right. How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Kim with the Northwood Police Department.
Yeah, what's going on?
We had a minor incident with one of your neighbors.
Gee, what a surprise.
He's gonna come with us to the station.
What
Can I
is
just get your number so I can give you a call and let you know what's going on? Would that be alright? You got a cell phone?
You want my phone number? Is that what you're asking me?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't have my hearing aid.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I can talk a little bit louder. Yeah, I'm just looking for your cell phone. Your number.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, I'll give you a call and let you know what's going on, alright? But he's gonna come with us for now.
Okay, when would you call? In a few hours?
I mean, I can, but I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. But I don't exactly know.
I'll walk on. Let me
I can't
go.
give you an exact time.
Yeah.
Is there?
I don't even have my cell phone on. Should I turn it on?
You probably should.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll
Thank you,
walk
sir.
home if they let me.
Can you just make sure you lock up the door as we're leaving?
According to police, the suspect was arrested in connection with the incident and later assigned a court date of March 24th. The victim was treated for his injuries at a local hospital. This video is presented for educational, documentary, and news reporting purposes. All individuals featured are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. If you enjoy police body cam footage, investigations, and real-life law enforcement encounters, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos.